If you've been looking for a great cruise deal, the wait is over. Cruise lines are fighting for your business this 4th of July with some incentives that are rarely seen. I'm going to show you 9 of the best cruise deals, including one from Royal Caribbean on one of their newer mega ships, and 2 that are all inclusive. I'm Gary with Optimal Cruising, bringing you the cruise insider information you need to avoid mistakes, save money, and protect yourself so that you can have your best cruise ever. I'm going to start off with 3 incredible cruise deals offered by Royal Caribbean right now for their 4th of July sale. Now, as you can see, they are offering 3rd and 4th passenger free on a lot of their cruises due to this sale. And these 3 cruises, you can get this option. So if you're traveling with more than 2 people, it's a great way to get value right now. This first cruise is on Enchantment of the Seas, which sails out of Tampa, Florida. It's a rather unique sailing on an older ship, but it is a unique ship that has been kept up pretty nicely. I've been on this ship and it's definitely worth the cruise. It goes underneath the Sky Bridge, which is a great way to leave a city. It's unique to Tampa, and you also are going to hit some very good and popular ports in the Western Caribbean. You can get this cruise for only $472 per person if you're willing to sail at the end of November. It's November 29th, goes into the first week of December. This cruise is going to stop in Costa Maya and Cozumel, Mexico, as well as Belize and Roatan. And if you haven't been to Roatan recently, they have been doing some major upgrades. So in addition to the beautiful beaches that you could always do excursions to there and get some snorkeling in, they now have these mega complexes right at the dock. They have pools, little water features, hammocks, all things there that you can really use for free, and maybe just purchase a drink or two if you're going to sit in one of the beach chairs. Now, before I get to the next deal, every single deal on this list has a link in my description. So you can click on that link and get more information on each of these deals or other dates or other cruises during this sale period. This Royal Caribbean cruise is for next summer. It sails on August 20th of 2027, which gives you plenty of time to plan and pay the balance of the cruise. But it's an amazing price on a 7-night Greek Isles cruise. It sails out of Athens and it returns to Athens. So it's an easy round trip airfare from most major U.S. cities, and you're going to hit a lot of the hot spots in Greece. During this sale, this cruise is only $779 per person. It's going to stop in Santorini and Mykonos, 2 stops in Turkey, and a stop in Crete. So it's a great itinerary. And for those of you who've been looking for a great deal on a Royal Caribbean mega ship, they're offering some real good prices on Wonder of the Seas, which is only a few years old, and it'll give you all that experience of the latest and greatest ship out there. Now, this is a short 4-night cruise that hits Nassau and Coco Cay and sails out of Miami. But typically, the prices run about $800 or so per person. With this sale, though, if you sail out on September 21st, it's only going to cost you $399 per person. Now, that's for a basic inside cabin, but look at this. You can also upgrade to a balcony for only $489 per person. So it's actually a really great deal to get a balcony on this sailing. And the next best price I could find for Wonder of the Seas is $599 per person. And this is in the springtime of next year. So May 3rd, 2027, you can do the same 4-night sailing and you'll still get a good deal. And the balcony for this May 3rd sailing is only $661 per person. So again, still a good upgrade option. If I was going to do this cruise, I probably wouldn't even get off the ship at the ports because that would give me enough time to explore everything the megaship has to offer. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. This year, the Alaska cruise market has had more cruise lines enter it, more cruise ships, and as a result, prices have been a bit lower than normal. And right now, you can still book a decent Alaska cruise for 7 nights for $629 per person. Now, this one is on the MSC Poesia. This is a traditional round trip from Seattle that'll take you to see the glaciers and all the major spots up in Alaska. You leave on September 21st, and it is a one-week cruise. Next, I've got two great holiday deals from Carnival Cruise Lines. But first, if you are interested in more information on any of the deals in this video, I have direct links in my description. For their July 4th holiday sale, Carnival has ramped up the perks, and in particular, they brought back the $49 deposit, which is a great deal for a lot of people because it lets you get into a cruise and book it without laying a ton of money up front. One of the great deals they're offering right now is on the Carnival Liberty, a one-week cruise for only $447 per person, and this is a Caribbean cruise leaving from New Orleans. This cruise also stops in Roatan, Belize, and Cozumel. And New Orleans is a great place to cruise out of because you can include an extra night or two stay to explore New Orleans. And that's a treat on its own. For this price, you would leave on January 10th. So get out of the cold, come down to New Orleans, and take a 7-night cruise to the Caribbean. Carnival is also offering a very good deal on the Carnival Celebration out of Miami, a 7-night cruise for $477 per person. Now this cruise has two options. They do an eastern route and a western route, and both options are available for that price. And the good news is, whichever itinerary you choose, they both stop at Celebration Key, which is Carnival's new private beach club on Grand Bahama Island. And it's really a great experience because it's still fresh, new, it's huge with two mega-sized lagoon pools, a great long stretch of a beach. They even got water slides, all kinds of restaurants, swim-up bars. It's a great place, and it's really big enough to accommodate a number of cruise ships. It doesn't get too crowded, and if you want to go explore Grand Bahama Island, you're free to do that as well. For this price, you can sail on December 6th on the eastern route, which will include a stop in Nassau, or you can sail on November 29th on the western route, which will include stops in Cozumel and Roatan. In a minute, I'm going to get to a couple of all-inclusive deals being offered this holiday period that include things like the drink package and even gratuities. But first, if you would take a minute and subscribe to our channel, hit that like button. It helps us grow and you won't miss our next video. First though, I want to look at one special promo from a company that doesn't offer a lot of great deals, and that is Virgin. So if you're looking for an adults-only cruise experience, Virgin is offering a free balcony upgrade and an onboard credit up to $400 this sales period. And while that deal is offered on a ton of their sailings, one of the best prices I could find is a 7-night cruise out of Los Angeles. It's over a year out, departing on November 6th of 2027. So you have a lot of time to plan for this, but for $693 per person, it's a steal on Virgin. That's a price you'd pay for a basic Royal Caribbean ship, and Virgin is usually considered a premium brand. Not only that, that's the price for a balcony right now because they're giving you the free upgrade. So if you're looking or thinking of trying Virgin, now's the time to do it. Get yourself into a balcony without paying a whole lot extra. For this July 4th holiday, Holland America is by far offering some of the best promos out there. If you book during this period, you can get the Have It All package, which includes their drink package, plus prepaid gratuities for free, which means they're included in the price, and they're offering a 50% discount on deposits. So it's a win-win-win if you want to book with Holland America now. And one of their better deals right now is this 7-night Mexico and Caribbean cruise out of Miami on the Zuiderdam for $999 per person. For that price, you sail on December 12th, but you have your drink package included, your gratuities are already paid and included in the price, and they're giving you an onboard credit of $100 per stateroom. Sometimes the best cruise deals are these package deals where everything is included for one low price. And speaking of deals, we maintain an ongoing list of the best cruise deals you can book. If you'd like a copy, just comment deals or click on the deals link in our description. And Norwegian is another company that offers great all-inclusive package deals with their Free at Sea program. And they're offering that again now, and you can get that on this low-price cruise, which is $749 per person. It's out of Miami, and it's a 7-night Caribbean cruise. This cruise stops in Cozumel, Roatan, and their private beach club Harvest Caye, and departs on August 9th. And the nice thing about Norwegian's Free at Sea program is that you can add on packages to this fare and get some extras. The Wi-Fi is automatically included for free. You can add in the unlimited drink package if you want it and only pay the gratuities. For this cruise, it'd be $200, which would bring that $749 fare up to $949, which is still a great deal when you're getting all those extras included. If you're interested in this or any of the other deals in this video, I have links in my description that'll take you directly to those deals. You can get all the information you need. You can check other dates if you want to. And once you book that great cruise deal, there are some sneaky tactics the cruise lines use to try to take that deal back. I'll tell you all about that right here.